This is a magnetic door latch. It uses a metal contact plate which is not magnetised until connected to a low voltage power source. When energised, it can clamp hard onto a strike plate attached to a door. But as soon as the power is removed, the door is free to move again. In this video, we're going to show how to fit a flush mount magnetic latch to a domestic sliding door. The latch requires a 25mm deep recess to hold it in place. The wood can be removed by a combination of hole saw and wood chisel. If several of these latches needed to be fitted, it'd be worthwhile setting up a jig for a high-speed router to speed up the whole preparation. This style of latch requires a feedback sensor to let the control unit know when a door is fully closed. Here we're fitting a simple magnetic reed sensor to the door frame. A corresponding magnet is pressed into the door, which is aligned exactly with the sensor. Next, we add a visual indicator outside the room so that others can see that the room is occupied and locked. A contact plate for the sliding door must align with the centre of the magnetic latch. Here a narrower 25mm wide contact plate is used so that it will fit within the face of the sliding door. A 25mm flat spade bit is a good choice for removing most of the wood. After drilling a series of holes, the remainder of the wood can be removed by chisel. When screwing the plate to the door, ensure that it's slightly raised above the door, as when the door closes, the plate must be in full contact with the latch, or the effectiveness of the magnet will be greatly reduced. Once the magnet is correctly aligned, the face of the door can be filled, sanded and painted. To reduce the visual impact, the latch itself can also be painted. With the control system fitted and the exit button fully installed, the latch can now be tested.